Prepare a flat A4 sheet of paper, not wrinkled. Fold the paper in half lengthwise to create a crease. Use a straight object like a ruler, or your hand if you don't have one, to press and hold the crease. Then fold the paper again like I did. Fold the paper so that the pointed tip touches the bottom edge of the paper. Fold the paper in half lengthwise to create a crease. Fold this part backward to keep the paper from unfolding. Fold it back along the crease to form the wings of the airplane.
Thank you for watching.